Madam Amensha say free menim tintin so but odin Jumedia odi was St. Hubert.
Yo, medasi bebre na mafa kwanya so achicha Opemsuo atifo ina. Your friend is Steven.
Okay.
Do not friend say square. The physical education and sports teacher.
Okay.
I was in Hubert seminary SHS.
Okay, sir. But also don't have Rose.
Say square.
Say square.
But
I'm about my opening but was odin Jumedia odi.
Your friend me Emmanuel Kosibrefo.
Okay.
I'm a sports committee chairman.
Okay.
For St. Hubert Seminary.
Okay. My main shots here from this side say your tertiary education, your secondary education in him say school be on a curriculum. You were more the GS the banner the moye no. Athletics a part of Jumedia Mudi Woho. But then St. Hubert are ye no. Now you need more for other ventures. Say be a former St. Hubert the books na ni here more into be and crana call cause me ni be a menene call JHS or St. Hubert in a way. We were best of Morini, you all try to the page, no see the school that raised me on or can't find a path on no.
And black, maybe because in Joseph Seminary, at the point na me busi and 4 crown na omuniji you black me from JSS as I'm crab on seminary. When it comes to seminary, some obian say, eh, unya ko honko adia, also could be so.
Yeah. And sir. Matara never bow ho. And you say me question be say me dibusan is athletics. Even though a part of curriculum in your mom but when did the school authorities began taking this as a serious thing? Because the mobile year this year super zonals no. And you sure say more they daba ko buy. What really went into it, the preparation and everything?
All right. Mefa Konya is on Amachia, school authorities, headmaster, rector, headmaster, Mr. Richie, director, Reverend Father, Henry Mensah, and all school authorities.
Okay.
Project initial say I check barely 5 years ago.
Okay.
So I can say build school sports because all the time St. Hubert is noted for academics, discipline, and then quizzes. But I said that be in sports mukakra. So we started the project from handball and then volleyball. We went to Koyanim Kakra, you could do finals in the regional tournament, handball, and even volleyball, regional final section, you could be. And then later on, Ira soccer. So just ended. You grab the dance here.
Milo games, yeah.
Say you cares for no muti ya, muti because I share more.
Yeah.
And Gayaji,
yeah.
And no doubt about that. And about 3 years ago, the athletics. That's what Nti kakra headmaster no one kasa na nije dwumadi no.
Yeah.
Nti useni ya usiku kra emu no di achi kakra no. And aboa me dia bedru sampempe so ya. Ene yetimi arizi overall best athlete for this year's Super Zonals.
Okay. Just as you said, bare 3 years ni na mo share here with athletes no. You stick it to there, but then you befer all other sectors near the aba. You nim say encry the mobile school say addition or mumbesua na mo free honko. You as the school authorities need there, mobile other visions, be say mobile grow in the terms of sports, in athletics, any other areas, volleyball, and as if we. More chassis no worrying any doubt say be a mobile burden more friendly too much because they are there for the academics. St. Hubert is known for quizzes no adding other sporting events to it meaning say school so there yankofo being free fee man be school na there because when you are found guilty at school na so be shepa it means it's very well or some of them kure ya de o mabaso mu besua de besua ne o manyo ya na sa ko Mosha say na bibisa amemu weren't there any doubt in seeing this project come to pass?
In fact, Yabri but in the same year,
okay.
And there were so many doubts, but in the end, I think that we've come far, and then we are now on the victory path.
Yeah.
Of which are doubt and the
yeah.
And kakra meeting aka afa hono they were out.
Okay.
Additionally, they all go to class. Some of them are in first year.
Yeah.
Our first year, so move fee.
Yeah.
But they are in school.
Yeah.
We have a special class for them.
Okay.
Moko.
Okay.
Call library. Even the overall best athlete is in first year.
Yeah.
And run all class. And so the number.
Yeah.
And you know, that's in the view, but still now, you go so
unlike academics, any other professions, open and crabby amanasa open nipa mana participate in a debia. The donebu I say scouting. Yeah, trials be war the so 2-4 pack. And in Kwana be ni ahwemu papa ni ye de afrimu. Secondary school minim se entisa de minim no. And say secondary school de okodro GHS BC a utwa ne afaw. Okodru ho wi a na ebia wo abilities bi na school na recognize na yaboa na etimia be fruitful. St. Hubert, on the background of Nkomo Amadi Kennedy, say your aim was to do this, no. Getting inquiry to, participate in all these activities, no. Was it something school ni puti out say who was an him we are bra fourth na yam wow. And I say school na mo so much that more hand picking of students na or more award that more share that future now you could see akwa we or JHS we star Osu adi we know about St. Hubert yenso yam one bit mama na konenim. How was it like getting students of this caliber this year na ye maintaining on the crana or ultimately this glory at St. Hubert Seminary?
The truth of the matter is school be a scouting.
Yeah. Okay.
Every school, our energy is open so sports, or in Yana, or crazy in a scouting.
Okay.
That's a crazy phone pool, and you have phone pool scout here.
Then you ball for name medical for.
And you started a project, last year, scouts kakra. Then you could chini, a try and Gualano, a chiri, and so yes, your friend is saying, justify. Yeah, justify. Emma, we had about over 70 athletes coming from all over the country.
Wow.
Yeah, to participate in it. But baby, and the men from Tuga. So the Tuga, we are no go for SCH at why or and no, Emma, boy, Emma,
yeah.
But money on buy.
Okay.
If you could do different schools.
Okay.
But Kakrabi dear, Yenyamu, and it don't do Baby say. Same way. Students now so mobile school no so obi ba otimi ba oh say me ojes asana me to America ojes asana me say we bring all of them together, we try them, the best ones amongst them ni atwe omo so team no
okay
no mo nyina ya adwuma
okay scouting no mo ye no we as he said mo shada year scouting hwehwe mu ye blessed war SHS 1 is it or form 1 ye internet on scouting mo scouting from other secondary schools and I'm more buy and answer more scouting no more based on a certain terrain.
The scout is always based on JHS.
Okay.
Livers.
Okay.
JHS livers, but blessed no, because of the specialty no, the scouting no JHS too.
Oh, so many di nechi ache.
Yes, I grant from JHS too.
Okay.
And you di nechi you go school mu, you go ne mama ho, you go srane papa. Yeah, the name easy.
Adada.
And that's how they can go for BC. Meeting Modi.
Yeah.
After say you
top of Vintimenka.
Yeah, no crown. Then go for BC.
Wow.
Baston and Angusiaga.
Yeah.
And it's a blessing. That's all you
okay.
And in the scouts in the all over the country.
Yeah.
We'll be free say Akrawo North.
Oh yeah, dear.
We just send something in now or the number.
Okay.
And I say, you took a near draw.
Okay.
Near Cocofanaba. Sa no be I know. This onions you don't want him.
Just like the creative industry, Oma Omo be ansanu jumo bu ho nim die so yi movie oye we no dia na yetena bontene se ana omontete ye se wo de omo wo bfaako wo de omo fa training bi mu o kire omo ade bi no ana eden enti imagine school ni akwara owura SHS foforo na o hia ni padom no so hia uniform na o ye gagai grooming and cry to the stage as in Hubert's name is reigning in the region here no. How was it like? It's a saying.
It has not been easy. St. Hubert is noted for Oseikrom.
Okay.
You quite sorry change school be I'm say Ghana in Accra. Omo mu jina chira obuso omo mbeka se kwa sorry dodo. That would be the only challenge I will make.
I saw there you say one sentence is how.
Oh yeah,
1 2 no sorry. Yeah, I'm sorry any doors. Yes, we call woman intimidating pa. And sorry any the obo.
Yes, okay.
Come back sorry now.
Yeah. Until through all these, you know, you suffer to omo for kama. Am I? Omo to be from especially. No more no matinasi eto. Okay. Head to me for omo. Yani staff is will be our problem.
Okay.
But all staff members will be able no more day.
Okay.
Even canteen for kitchen or more no aduane. Obia ebo no more day musumo say. Ebe maintain sportsmen no.
Okay.
So man go class I will hold man report about e wakola we on my class. Until we say we are fast now. Okohwe na chira kwan.
Yeah.
No watch na be class. So it has not been easy, but with the help of all staff members as well as external coaches be aya for omo I know my adwuma.
That's nice.
Omo boy MBB akoso kama.
Okay. It's nice that we can say on authority say the achievement St. Hubert is dropping now no isn't a try macquarie idea.
Oh, no.
It's been something thought of strategically now more proving more worth at this year's Super Zonals.
Exactly.
Coming into Super Zonals no send okay afi na na mo boa no want take some years to train and cray mwenye bi from the goal start no was the aim was it to achieve say na munim say St. Hubert will get to this stage way in the Super Zonals because say him say mo sha say with interco zonal ones na zones mu nyina mu sheshe to aba qualify no aba Super Zonals no this year EDI you can want see me how was it like? Was the feeling like this from the go start?
For some of us I the BID team nachi omo trials omo faha omo training e training there renew say you bit my bibia na esokura chen we ni nim say bit my bibia so chen we only say some aspects be na amwaye na ankoyi o amaye nti kra na dey settle at this level but we knew Blessed was going to do the unthinkable as he did. We knew it because with all the trials I call any day even at JHS na the time now all with JHS no na another but people didn't know nti bedru ye ba na dey dey ni ogidi say ye na dey achire ni dey we told some of our teachers say they quite wonders nice and I can na say we dem aminka rector who is the assistant headmaster administration Oshebo bebre wonti me kran twan wi fara me kai fada e ka e bona ase and Blessed o da so de ka bebre you ready you buy beji ha
I don't know
no oni gidie say nkran meet my performing to this level but we knew say we could do something better yes and then we know great things are ahead
me ko Blessed do ebusanda but before that yinim St. Hubert say baby a location e was ansem wo krom kakra e na amachi ho anso lead to kwan bi a very famous I fa ho kusi Heman sa hoda ko sa areas ni mu ho nyina no enti enim even say enim compound as in Hubert also. We also know say when it comes to sports, when it comes to activities like this no, to be able to do well or thrive na yakase mu hia equipment, mu hia facilities, mu hia training grounds. In this case here Blessed name is being mentioned because of Mirika Oko. But usually in pass will be timid the bear maybe a 40 seconds a trust St. Hubert school ni nyina ho ahia. Boarding room nen kan baby amusua de nen ko a. In terms of facilities, in terms of equipment, I'm with the training boys, you know. Saying a net here. Mobeka se mo shorty wofa. And I said there's something going on uniquely at St. Hubert. Mo fan betu dwenti yenim, but then maboa mo in terms of these facilities.
All right. When it comes to facilities, I have a problem kakra.
Okay.
When it comes to sports facilities, mechanics are initially. Back at what ball cry. And so still about
but could be the money more by him saying the Amoko Juana.
Yeah, that's it. I know the when you assassin.
I'm Crophobian Town. Okay.
You call on my yes, and so more with me home. Okay.
Okay.
But Yashasi a baby kakrebi was here.
Okay.
I hear more.
Okay.
Seriously.
Okay.
But all the same, athletics team no, we training stadium.
Oh, okay.
Nti ya basi omo ina every dawn.
Wow.
You don't want to stadium. Na omo training we are ya safa omo ne do makofi. Nti sometimes baby the coach become. I know na you so.
Okay.
The coach is 2. Bako National Sports Authority.
Okay.
Coach Kura.
Okay. Oh, Kura, any Kura didn't come on Wednesday with her.
Kura training crying.
That's nice.
And there is another coach, his friend, Coach Prince.
Okay.
Kura and Kuala Nubia.
Okay, that's nice.
A training, your friend Pizu.
That's nice.
Pizu clothing, Udu Patasia.
Okay.
Pamnia Mafine Pa.
Okay.
On us one van Heddles in Yagro.
True.
To only training on Muna for Heddles. And my it's a Kura Niwa on the segment. The stadium. And I'm mostly on your training, and stadium and you put park and so on.
That's nice. That's nice. Bless, my man, how quickly. You didn't come on. You bodin, be a bodin, din blessed. Sukuna woman, dear, meaning say a trimodeni ho. Sans also the only meme nimnare. U teacher for ye nimnare, one said then shia. Any man umbino akase nuntino, on my be a guide. But for you, personal achievements. Ebebusa said preparations bang and now would call mua or the call into the interco in the first place would you finish super zonals no fruitfully like this.
Okay, but I say it's say menam sa konya wisna me chicha adofone enuanom
Bia Joso
me din sia kese ekoma me parents and me sanso de ba ko so emamia me coach Kura and Coach Prince. But I don't know friend Pizu.
Okay.
And I'm a headmaster, Coach Mr. Eric Che, and I'm a crew at Mayabe.
Okay.
Which will be behind it, which I share for and then it's here for you now. It didn't kind of Medawasi say, what Mamma said, when I say, I'm low and ready, and no matter Sam Kumoy. Training there, I be pa, and as I'm riding, I boy home in pa. Training no easy. Training easy. We say, tell you because now sorry I could train and yeah. Say Ubiada, how much on ground sorry I could train.
We have a Sabbath class.
Sabbath class. In enough form, but I don't know. You buy into Kuni season. It means that you training there. Then I say it be show. Your performance nature even December kula ya nkufi he was school training I say December one nkufi what na school training I say a draw and I say wow she say for breya I say odi emlikane say odi agora say no ma for was pa boys na ya boy homoden pa
mama bom homoden e bi na me ne say din komo ana me kan wa kra wo start you kan say combining addition training na say kan say the moko stadium na makwa ye training na we awasaba makwa ye say kra na mo me say classes 1 or 2 no mo kwa de she da say special classes mamo o kan ni addition abomu no enye den ha won nsu too much e bi awadwene ho da se ma me nyan ba ko na me concentrate on ba ko da
Debbie, because athletics no untimi ye no nkwa na eno nkwa so ya I think intimi found and say the addition den
eka ho
na say even when you dey na say utu am kan kra do anim na say e ma contract and as bisa untimi den ensign am say onim hwe nti
okay
always no be bibia
okay say kan say o mode sukumpanifo na ni edi omachi edi wachi efiti mra wo JHS ba me so me no mienu nim say ye nyini na ye wona mfofo wo fie eni amanfo di nkomo no ubewie JHS na secondary school na edin de eti schools ni bebre wo wadoma chede we ya wo nti no wonim say anya hwe say school ni kura book no JBC no said the obema kene bia no ne yire wasem no tin ukura na esan say wo that abilities a wo modern wo ade a wasua mu nti no school akesi ni bibeba then I was settled finally on St. Hubert. Meaning say na okay say they were di wechi on mama akasa on dada akasa ba wo akra na wo sa do machede no ebi wo ha ebusa won so utimi kan bi e manage na kwan ben na ye then I was settled on say St. Hubert and a medical co school mpo ansa na ma joining omo Alex team no.
So me da say obisa me sa question. Acho St. Hubert school a manage ho.
Okay.
Na me so na me ya clean ya me say me ko boy school me mix and the juma na ya fa to ya hunsu ni nti on we are comics na
distraction be dosun if mano dosun adwen pa if mano
me imagine say me ko boy school na St. Hubert school a discipline school one thing say me ba one say although no say we are kula sorry say no mpe by St. Hubert the oba bepe chafo ba say no so kan na bye.
Okay. Mama kasebi dada kasebi wanso wanya pepa no e de ama school no wate ase wa penisa afi obeba say di nkomo bi say akade e beka ho ama watimi aye wade no before super zonals before interkoi ura school mu ho wie with our abilities and I want say wo bo modern wade bi ho a na obi nso bo modern ka ho a unya arehemu say amini unu amini we de ye boss nti betima ya ade ama school no getting into St. Hubert school ehu say bia facilities ni sa anyoma na ebe akode na ebe ka ho ama watimi aye de wo ye ni yie no as a point ben na bia feel say Mr. Sam adwen anke ebe bo ama na say wo de ne de once you entered once o catch ho say ho na obeba no say wo who say ni ho the determination started from there.
Acho em say me ba St. Hubert name nkwa na ba
okay
me name ya Minia Frank
okay
me name na and I mean say decided say you ba St. Hubert and St. Hubert no ya ba no o me sign pay coach my coaching sounds so good say and say my body din coach Kura or sign good now coaching sounds so born home modern inti coach na ya tete ni din pa ya tete ni din so e good inti ya ba St. Hubert na am compare da coach my no odo say school ye ni hwe ni nyoma idea training but and am da coach na ya nti na ya areshem say e betima ya ade no ayi ni ayakoye ni
okay tisa areshem say bi de obedi wani ma kire wade no ohun say ye nipa say bi waye bi agidin wodin ne de da ho na wonya areshem no preparation into intercourse zone na etisen for wo was it a personal idea say my first year in the secondary cycle in him say intercourse in him say superzoso ya titi din bi ukwe o ma ne o mo si akan ebi wo year 2 ebi wo year 3 nti e den anu titi bi din ahoboana na etisen a odi ram wo intercourse zo yimu
one day it was good
okay
and I say me ba season no as my first time ba season na me ba na as ehun kakra o mi na you training na you coach sometimes your point training them no na yat na say edim komo
okay
etu en for kama say at the end there o first year there o yema hye na o ba say o kire say den ade no nimi ye abetima aye so na me so na ye me de say many champions ebeden ebetu amika is there omo san champions ni nipa bia omo tu amika du omo anim na me so afna me start meba nti me so na be me ahwo say mene sa nipa bi se na ebeden
bisi akan
na sai sinama info
sinama say enfie ni mu ana say dwumadie ni mu na hu so mo ye sinama fo
dwumadie no say omo kuma ni beble na omo asan gigigidin na me so me pese me ne da microphone be den esi akan na me say bia
obetima ye bibia ko anima before interco before sizui na watrumika ana wadi udwuma ya wudi ewo nipa dodo anim sada say on say stadium atmosphere say de nipa go school fo de say de okay woni onua meme na wo ho enya mix school enti even seeing school fo a omoye mix na man na sefo no you don't see it that way no wagina nipa dom anim sa edi ujumada
I think say ansana eba interkono interhouses
okay
na I think say omo dey you know one e school minti na I san koye I can say ekutu championship bi
okay into looking at interquedi ene de na waye no na nsusunye bu wom tekoni sizo de na nipa no eno sododo eni na na ehwe on eno sododo na hu bi anim se mu pie fita na ho na eso ya mukọ 4x4 na mu pie aboze mienu afa ha na mienu afa no ma ye sign bi saa ni nyina na bibia anim se ai na nipa nyina ehwe mi o
wacho there be if say I think say yeba interkono obi abehwe me and obi abehwe me ya so dey na ne gym say o akro ya do ye good sen me mo nze wi ase dey o ya dey obi na beka asempa fa ho
okay
o beka asempa na bi so beka asempa
yeah
na me ba season no so omo amehwe me interkono omo as na be san behwe me season no na me san so pese me fans no why dey omo ni sign ji
okay
senia
Mriketuo mu yenim se ebi wo ha yese nipa bi te se Usain Bolt a waji ne din yenim se ono eba 100 meters ne dia na obi antimi no yenim se bi ekobe 400 meters a onya de kakra nti obi besu ne mu yenim se okọ 800 meters a eden kakra nti bi amusi yesa de na ba bete 100 meters ho wo blessed wo feel dan kasa ye den ehemfa nkasa na wo beka se me coaches me teachers me master wo ho no no ma kire me ho na me ye ho adwuma ana wo de ne de wo hu ne ho se o de be bia wo betimi se ye America nko a wo bete pa ne de wo betimi asori akọ
me de angazang say 400 200
okay
but I say JHS me ye race be JHS de me ni na bi 5000 1500 bia me ko bi but me ba ye no me ba ye say JHS ne SSM ni kan eden
into so wo yeah
say JHS de o ye kakra bia ofa no bia slow awe ni o ya ma so me jam iti me ba ye no me answer 400
o me jam say odi agro e bo
as I'm raise na 400 many incident je won sa na 1 2 no 100 200
yeah
but I say yeah time trials be
okay
and yedim ko na 400 na metime e bo me homo de na coach ka say oh time na my ne there some the bus is metime I den
akọ
anim panti in fact 400 no so I den enka ho and I intercourse me sign to 124 100 200 400
okay
and I need na me sign adding 80 90 the bus season na me target en 124 no but na 124
okay
and the coach will say who album kakra is 100 then na for me so me say me need start but mo good finish
yes sa chase ne de o fambo kakra but unya pija de a o boa yeah
nti eba no coach ka say me kire me say ma me ye me nhyehyɛ me na race me de a me di 124 nti o kan sa so e ma me mora aha e ma me timi eden e be di e
Kwame
Black event here that's here Yvonne and Fire no one to suma me na me misa no nsem me no me nsem bi ho almost starting no St. Hubert and start here and at the point no to so be fourth but e ba ne ho no I think otimi bua mo be di second or still started I don't know what track this wa I remember about him
acho I say o start here 4 starts ade bia say athlete bia sulu 4 starts say 4 start there yan de pa
4 start ne say ya bo aben na ye nyam boy na o watu
okay say ma card na dey we free
okay
esa so a say nim go say na dey den aba
okay
e bia akwa bi so akwa ma den o coach ai den o training
okay now 100 meters champion 200 champion 400 champion yes and why a record I think say you heard him say if you are in the next 10-5 years no beat me and break. Wow to her personally level when I was say would Black this is the track I make can wasem okay who's all day win baton na breno
yeah the brand elite who say 1 2 3
obi credit kind obi the kind so he was fit
okay
and I Odiso. And MZ I was studying one because I'm a commentary and I was like, who's that? Now me said that name schools no. Guy no said green, you know, and I remember one guy bit one was share or beba. Nam so masa emfa. So I'm true. Paul Neti one I was like guy neighbor guy, and you could see say level ben na blazer do person would do. I know say nyawo nkwana our year event in the other students or her. No, I think black bema almost a chance kaka. Where do you want to reach in life? One kasa as an athlete.
Me say me can me to Ghana anko.
Okay.
Say me come and do actually pa. Even the next 4 or 5 years now, we na me to Olympic game.
Nice.
Me my Ghana.
Nice.
Say me win gold medals ni biba Ghana.
That's nice.
Now black me nim say me bisa asem we ya.
Bisa na enkwa no mo call e bi kan ho no mo winning laurels no. Mo winning laurels ai be me no say bi international.
Tintin so ye.
Onu mo de na vote no. Basketball okay.
Vote.
Okay, nice.
Now asema me bisa enye chinchina twan. You can decide to answer or not. After the event, you have videos via someone was alleged and say we use black power.
Be specific in Pajo.
God of War. Eka say.
Premier athlete, no.
Yes. Yeah. Oh, personally, Zami Maya Madia said, Ejuma ye nanka minye, my beton, my papa. Obi ba ya say, Udo you su juju na de, I don't know. Who feels it?
I see I won in Panier. I see I won in Panier.
I see I won in Panier.
I see I won in Panier.
I won in Panier. Let's see a dope you. And out there, I don't know how they, you know. Personally, then one kasa a call arguing, then an out feeling. Personally, we are munya no said ye or no fast no or no mighty who said you see fast.
Vacho Honey dear, Metis Asem, no, me dear, Yaman Ukraine, me ya.
How?
We say, what of my fans are my senior brother.
Yeah.
And now, me sounds with him in a minute, Diagro. Oh, and the JHS, the number shown them, Conusamba Stadium. You know, in Sinamo JHS to Niami Babashano. But, that we
comments no mine, no,
yeah. Into mine, I'm an I am there. But, then they are Nipa there. Nipa of my Nipa there.
Black, interesting.
Me, I saw me catch on and then say, me, as my kind say, na, yes, so our panams in a panel, no, no more. Almost our panams, a drone at the Trumicano, what was on the border? Say, you were school names and guys about them crown of
you always said, your casa, so they had mastered Nabes Kumwama, Papa Pacho, Inti, Yadir at Open to Hondia.
I think the video, last my kind say, the amount good day, the new. Sina Americano Miljasheo no obi etimi kan de ope ba ye wie na se ani ban ho so hunu se ya kan bone a na ye ba ye chi I think say uni abajo so din de say
Efemi
Asari Anthony so jumedi na ben na wudi in the world of athletes no pole vault and only den obechi mu kakra de ade
I say high jump ba and no height esine high jump
okay
and I so ye de ababi na
okay and on na your Facebook live to see no na wa wuni na chairman ho wa wo na nipa tete ade na we na akofa wuni ya na go there is ya kan ko na wuni na ye den na ade adwuma di na azu bi di
na ashase no na minim say metime de adwuma bi say
okay
and am your teacher ni ba akoso and I'm meeting me the me say
okay na it is saying musua ne saying and jumedi na ngasa no what is the then I'm standing to achieve say mirika for the enim say and am be busa bay mirika ne the enim say ya the line be ato ho yeso fi line so duru ha the obedi kan we first mumu die it is saying na moye ne saying then na mode aba na mode ye no aba ko ado de ko ana say ukofa no
oh say obi ade no voting pool ba
okay
but our own need the music was stadium it was a borrowed one
okay
I free lag for no
okay what do you stand to achieve moye de den ewie ne ye de ade oh but on the makers what ma say a mirika for no ofi line we so call line we so awi momo de ne o sha ase sen na wo wie sen na de ne kire say wedding kunim
it depends on the height how it may should do
okay
Nti the more na elimination stage.
Okay.
Nti the more na more yen I say soccer ball. Nti we anyway baba na we ye film ba we ni ye say. O hwiri height na ye koso nti height went man hwiri no wa firi mu ho no.
Okay. Ti nipa be enum nsia na ye de aba bi ato be bi mfimfini amama ba. Udi mirika de war form a na watime hwiri afa aba na de ato mfimfini so no. Enti de wentimi anhwiri amfa so no na yi wa firim na mo amaka ne asa atwe aba ne mu. Enti na mentia say unya tintin de going into super zonals no na preparation say na o any ayi bi say wo nkranhye bi say amekọ a metima yire me ho okọ yempo kura mbeze meka ne nya abom na yi ma no baago okọ yempo ko a ko hu o ma wo ne o mu si akan na ehu bi nim na etisen
ehun de na ebi o because last year Antwa for no na e buy omo files super zonals no po vote no omo sa say record mpo
okay
ama ne nipa ba akono so odi second
okay
ono na mene no wo the same class nti na me banyina me say o ono de by that time ne de o wa ye training to the extent say bia mentimi
nye bi ntu be ye bi say Hubert fashion just nti ma memra okay
nti me buy no say ono kwa no an share anya da well prepared nti ye boy ye homodin na etimi duru ba bia ye duru na ye coaching so modern bon so kan
okay after achieving the feat you achieved no how did you feel e dey asem na obeka che unuano ma omaka mo other schools even no more St. Hubert school no more multi already so how was the feeling like what is that word of encouragement abeka che mo
I ashase no even nya ashase no po enei kura still na me need asoje say me timi achieve that height
okay.
Because me hwiri that height no training ground so that first time and I know so me no baba yara sports stadium
okay
nti na me ni age pa
that's nice
nti say o abonten ho na e bia pese o ye po vote ni bia metufu say bia o ye na nya gidie e hunu say height pese o duru no matter what happened no obetima duru ho no nice one me
Mbappe frantoa eti antoafo na nya wanwa o say nyama ne da ho nyama ne ye botra saa o nti no nice one nice it is Facebook live comment obi cho say St. Hubert brought a beast to the game beast in the here papa tietia papa kitwa we any beast there oh ta go feel American papa tietia blessed yemre ne ye ko they asem na won so personally the achievement are wetimi anya school a wudi animu afa mu nyina ma baha obi ebodi what is that one thing you want to say to colleagues any other people or mutie wo as a student
didn't kind medawase I didn't say athletics no enough form
yeah
and ejuma so edin makase ejuma na edin
yeah
and ejuma we no say offer to won so but obedin say enye and I'm say trainer edin ti obi azi na American na me ba dem man nko American na say by and the American so ka bi me say senior me hu ye wa ahanomi the next year and the next 2 years there
Trimude bi amem Trimude bi anim there
we kra de hu say enye ahwi me ma fa ne say afena me ba form 1 we there me
trials no uni ade wa ye ne de upa ka de opebi me say de wa ye ne de onye ya na wo ka ne ehwe o ba unya ye yiwie say ne de ania de obeka bia ye gitum
next year as obi aba means no about
yes
ya target
yes
is there 124 near easy
is it that dinner as that tons no bo 124 but let the other say you be shemu nkran say mo yirem ho say pacho ye sorry so the assembly na won so be catch students of St. Hubert the assembly na be catch Ghana Education Service and grow other schools mu nyina no say efa ade o mo person de to o mani ho ade o person me what is that one thing you do want to say
yo that's bebre dedica no medical board me HOD abaso head of department for physical education and sports Mr. Emmanuel Opon e be bona abaso say ono na aboa amanya kwanya ya yeso ebetumi abetna ha na de mesre eye awofo awomba ewo St. Hubert any o student nyane say yesre ye nkunimdi dia be ye be som so ba be so ya sen wo akade a ye betumi dia training na asre genius nso so no so be boa yen na mbofra no tumi asua de ade aka sports no na anko yes sports no so nko.
Nice one. Say bacho ye kodi asem na wonso wo be ka twa to maboafo ni obi a
speculations because say blessed on we say to bet abuba ko wi wasa na pempe mo boa
buyout clause be mo ala is it buyout clause you say
you be can be a
okay
nti all students of St. Hubert mo amonte wa mutie ene captain e ga say me kama mu nyina ma hu say na mu nyina mate say blessed is going nowhere out of St. Hubert until say obewi school e was St. Hubert.
Nice one.
So who's a blessed beko baby a na just or travel outside the country.
Nice.
Or travel outside the country. Name mum say office St. Hubert ko baby there.
Nice.
Nice. The students say me ya esque kan e be sere say mu nyina mbeba na ma be support the sports team because you be your target.
Yeah.
Next year or two.
Yeah.
E be sa betina.
Nice one.
Yes,
nice one. You quite the say mo asanteme say nkunimdie na ko on say the achievement is not just about say my year for myself and the region no so master there other regions in now we are talking about the super zonals and performances like blessed day any they can because here be nyenye nimdi bi o akwa no school we no o oba but here akwa we ni enim no but what the din aba it is said the kind all students as a obewe school na gina muso mama who say MP4 tafo so about school mo who say what there to the Facebook page. Yes, me who so wa post here can
was my mate.
That's nice.
So
I who that. So we free but could be your concert or Black Sheriff for. I dey chin no go 7 months.
Oh no, a person out of
Yes. Mate, bacho e beda mo ase. Na nkran na mo amakenye e be hye mu nkran. Se bi baby ati se mu hu baby amurai. Osante hin na afi na yenya akwanya keto abi ne ete a munjuma ene momodembo ena amamode aba bewura ha etinye se mo say na da bi o medi mani mabo sometimes se mo amoyere mo ho na mo achieve ade bi a you be known by your works na akoko help him so page as in Hubert nyoma nko an egu ho ena maba me yedi nkomo ye modembo enti what I would want to say se mo yere mo ho na in the coming years as you said ye ne mu nyina na benso ekwa abom the moment you are doing well no we will be there to back you kakra yensu ebetima blessed agobo nsha na yere ho it's a Hubert Seminary School penny4 ne omoma omonkora super zonals omkobo omomode ne ni omodi nkomo